Hey guys, this is motivation. In real estate, you have to develop your own game plan, a plan that will be perfect for you. You may want to be the person with the hot car and a super fabulous mansion, or maybe you want to be a family person, helping those you love when they are in need, while living in a snug town out of nowhere. Well, I say to you, real estate investing can get you to the life you see fit for. Now, I must ask you to help me out and subscribe so that you can get more of these videos. Here is my real estate motivation story. I had a Section 8 tenant that moved out last month. She had two biological children and adopted her sister's kids after her sister had gotten involved in drugs. She was younger minded but smart. She worked at a group home for kids but didn't make enough to support her family. So she signed up for the Section 8 program, which covered part of her rent. The time she lived there, she lost her job a few times for reasons she had no control over. But soon she found a stable job. During the time she was not able to pay her rent, Section 8 would come and pick up the whole rent. I would do inspections of her apartment once in a while. It was okay. Her kids often left clothes and toys around their rooms, but knowing my own kids, I did not dare criticize that. She was always easy to talk to. She often asked about business of real estate, so I would tell her all she needed to know. Now, a few months ago, she called me to thank me for the lessons I gave her over the years about real estate. She also told me she bought a house with an extra rented unit in the back. I would love to tell you I was not immediately disappointed, because I was. Then I became happy to know she grew from a lost girl to a strong woman. This is someone who's now seeing a different life than what she would have saw before. She told me her official move out is a few months away. Now, here are some numbers. I had bought the house for $10,000 from HUD, which is a government housing agency, after the markets crashed around 2009. I rented her the apartment, the second floor, for $800, and for the first floor, I rented it for $850. Both tenants moved in about a month after I got it. The other tenant is still there today. I pay taxes and water. The tenants pay the rest. Now, the tenants we are talking about was officially out in November, but Section 8 will stop paying at the end of December. The tenant insists we keep the security to cover any wear and tear. Now, let's run some other basic numbers. She in Section 8 paid over $105,000 in the 11 years she stayed there. Deposited in my account the night before the first of the next month. She was so nice to talk to. She helped around the property. This is not a unique story. I have a few tenants who are like this. I share this story with you because landlords often tell the horror stories about Section 8. However, stay silent as they enjoy all that cash. Don't get me wrong. I had bad tenants who happened to have Section 8, but I also had bad tenants who did not have Section 8 as well. At the end, the Section 8 program proved to be quite profitable, since Section 8 was a backup. As the pandemic of 2019, 2020 raged on, Section 8 tenants has very much helped many landlords stay afloat when they had been abandoned by the government and the law. My advice to you is make sure you screen any tenant well without discrimination. Keep in mind, in many states, source of income is a protected class. I'm sure you already knew that. Besides all that, the best thing that you have to think about is this. You might be helping someone out. You might be helping a neighborhood, a family, or just a person get back on their feet or stabilize them as they go through whatever turmoil or wherever life has brought them to. Well, there you have it. That was my story of motivation. It's not much, but the idea is that there's a lot of great things that happens in real estate besides money, which is a good thing too. Anyway, please don't forget to turn on notification, like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.